All this week on Dateline Schools, we're learning about what's happening at the St. Clair County Technical Education Center, especially as they're preparing for their annual open house coming up on Thursday, February 20th. And to tell us more about what's happening out here at Tech, my special guest all this week is the director, Pat Yanik. And Pat, I know you're always looking to change programs and add to and that as the marketplace changes. Any changes coming up for the next school year here at Tech?
So all of our programs at Tech are full. We have some long waiting lists on several programs. One of our newest programs with a long waiting list is computer programming. And so after some discussion, we've decided to expand that out. We'll be adding another teacher for next fall, which will allow us to have a first-year program with a first-year teacher and a second-year program with a second-year teacher, which just allows the teacher to focus on one group of kids. And it's a much more efficient and effective way of delivering instruction. The market demand is there, the student interest is there, so yeah, we think it makes a lot of sense.
Market demand is out there for kids in the manufacturing sector. We see that a lot. We do the manufacturing day for the kids and that. But I think one area where Tech really shines has been with these kids, especially in the manufacturing piece, doing very well at skills. And this past summer, you had our first ever student go on to the international events. Tell us about that.
So Scott May was a student a couple years ago. He was first in the nation in CNC machining, and every couple of years they have an international skills competition with Skills USA. And so Scott was asked if he wanted to represent the United States, along with Michigan and St. Clair Tech, at the international competition. And he went to the competition and just did an outstanding job representing the United States of America.
And that's got to be something not only you and your staff have to be extremely proud of, aren't they?
Yeah, we were actually, that day in the summertime, we were streaming. As you know, we were streaming the event and watching the competitions and the events. It was such a big deal that it literally almost looked like you were watching Olympics competition.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.